guys, today we are showing you a cool new feature that we have on recipes@crock.com that helps you find the perfect recipe for what you're looking for.
Oh, we're having a whole lot of fun.
Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I am Cris from recipes@crock.com.
And I am Mikey from recipes@crock.com.
And we're doing something just a little bit different.
We're not cooking today.
Well, we technically are cooking today, but we also wanted to show you a really cool thing that we have on the website. I think some of you may have already checked it out, but we wanted to do some demonstrations to help all of you kind of know all the bells and whistles involved.
We get emails and messages all the time saying, hey, do you have a recipe that has...
Fill in the blank.
or do you have anything... I like chicken and bacon. I like chicken and artichoke. I like beef and potatoes. I like beef and tomatoes. Tomato, potato, tomato, whatever. We have so many different recipes on the site, we forget sometimes what we have. So we have to go back and research it. So Genius over here helped to create a tool specifically for recipes.crock.com that helps you build your own recipe based on the ingredients that you want, based on the recipes that we have. So if it's not in there, we don't have it. Let us know so we can make it.
We have a tool on the website that is called the Recipe Finder. It is like a very ramped up recipe index for our almost 1,500 recipes that we have on recipes@crock.com. So we're going to screen share with you today as I kind of walk Mikey through how it all works. So if you go to recipes@crock.com, you will usually find in the sidebar a little magnifying glass that says search our recipe finder.
Click it.
Yep, and you can click it. Now if you're on mobile, you're going to have to scroll down to the bottom because it will be down at the bottom. This is a little bit different than just a traditional search bar. You can usually find the search bar on our website up at the top or in the sidebar, but this is a very ramped up version of the search bar. So I just wanted to show it to you guys because it is such an awesome tool. So let's say you know that you have chicken and you want to make a pasta dish with it. So you can check chicken and pasta on our recipe index, and it immediately sifts all the way through all of our recipes and shows you chicken and pasta dishes.
So there's 3 different pages of all the chicken and pasta.
There's 3 different pages that automatically sorted them out. So now let's say you want to identify crock pot only chicken and pasta dishes, and you can click the crock pot button and it'll only pull up slow cooker recipes. If you want to go back and maybe look at what electric pressure cooker versions we might have, you can unclick the crock pot and then go, it'll give you the option of electric pressure cooker, and you can click that and you can see what's up.
You've got electric pressure cooker chicken and noodles and electric pressure cooker Mississippi chicken and noodles.
Yes, so that's just a really quick and easy way to kind of identify things, especially if you're looking for something specific. Like we hear from a lot of you, hey, I don't have an Instant Pot, I only have a slow cooker. Can you help me find the recipe in the slow cooker version? So you can just unclick the electric pressure cooker and click the crock pot version, take off the chicken and the pasta, and it will show you all of the recipes that are made specifically for the slow cooker.
And there's 75 pages of such recipes.
Yes, that's what we specialize in. So you can then look at all the other options. They always update every time you click something with what is available, so you don't have to keep sifting through the stuff that doesn't make sense. If you ever find that you're not finding what you're looking for, just unclick all the boxes, and then you can go and type into the search bar what you're looking for.
Give me a test here.
Let's say ground beef, because it has beef on there but not ground beef. Okay, so now it's kind of sorted through a whole bunch of things, and now let's check tomato. So we can do something with ground beef and tomato in it. And all of a sudden,
You've got 7 pages worth of food.
You start to see how it can sift through things for you, even if the choices aren't exactly there. Or let's say you saw that we did a spinach artichoke chicken a long time ago, but you can't find the recipe. Just type in spinach artichoke chicken, and it should search through most things to find it. It's not perfect, but it's getting there. And
look at that, right there.
Right there. First,
crock pot creamy artichoke chicken.
It'll give you other things that have those words in there. So there's other spinach recipes, other artichoke recipes. Helps you find that kind of stuff. Let's say you've got some picky eaters in the family and you're looking for things that our kids have loved. Mine and Aunt Lou's little munchkins. You can clear off the search bar. You may have to reset things. Just go back, click the recipe finder button again.
Oh, there we go. Yeah. Click the recipe finder button. There we go.
Click that, and then you'll see under the popular category that we have things that we have labeled that our kids love under kid friendly. So those are 90 different recipes that the kiddos have told us, yes, Mom, we like those. For my low carbers, we have all kinds of low carb recipes too. You can uncheck that kid friendly and go to the low carb section, and it'll pull up everything on the website that's low carb. Let's say you're looking for air fryer recipes that are low carb, then you go under the recipe type and you can click the air fryer, and it will pull up air fryer low carb recipes for you.
There you go, 10 recipes.
So this is just a tool that, like I said, makes it a lot easier for you to kind of find and sift through things rather than just searching, because sometimes a generic search bar will pull up all kinds of funny stuff. This is, I have a packet of chicken breast and some cheese in my fridge. What can I make with it? And the recipe finder can help you search through all of our recipes to find something. So do it. Cheese and chicken.
Cheese. Oops, wrong one. Helps when I click right. Cheese and chicken.
Ta-da!
That comes up with 59 different recipes.
We like cheese and chicken around here.
Barbecue chicken chow down. We haven't had that in a while. That's really good. Cheesy chicken penne. Penne. Penne.
Where's that from? Alrighty guys, so we just wanted to show you that and give you a little bit of a screen share. We have some other tools that we're working on. Hopefully later in the summer we'll do another video like this to show you other cool things you can do on the site that make your life easier. So we just want to make it easy for you to find what you're looking for. A lot of those recipes have videos here on this channel, and so if you ever are even looking for the video associated with it, if there's a video on this channel for a recipe on recipesatcrock.com, it's always embedded in the blog post on recipesatcrock.com. So you'll see the video pop up in the recipe whenever it comes up when you search too. So it's an easy way to find our videos too.
There you go. You can see my pretty face.
Well, we hope you enjoyed this video, and we hope it helped you kind of figure out some new things on the website. If you like this video, we'd love for you to give us a thumbs up. If you're not already a member of our slow cooking family around here, we would love for you to click subscribe down below.
And when you do, you become a welcome member of the Crock Posse.
Yes. If you would like notified every time we upload a video, click the
ding-a-ling.
That's the bell down below, and it will give you a notification every time we upload a video on this channel. But whatever you do,
laugh often,
eat good food,
and speak life.
Bye guys.
Bye. Oh, I'm gonna search for something for dinner.
Okay.
If you want to see the latest, click on the left right here. If you feel like subscribing, click on the right, my dear. And if you think we're funny enough to send us money, click the Patreon.